See, there's a lot of people questioning my integrity right now. They think that if I say a word, then it's not coming out of my mouth. But it is. All right, here we are at the Rocket. We're here at the Rocket Fieldhouse.
Somebody move this tree. Can we get? Here we are at the.
I'm here. I've broken into. I mean, I'm in the Rocket. Here's at our left end. You can see the field that LeBron James walked on. Right there. Here we have the trophy that I won for Cleveland. Touched it. That's LeBron. That's my dad. We got more trophies for winning. Winners. We got a list of Hall of Famers here, like Zattergren Gasket. Believe it or not, we're actually in Disney World. Mickey's present. They're actually giving away a Cybertruck, so one lucky winner and a friend can go home in the test in the car. We're gonna take an adventure into space. Welcome to space. We made it. Stars. Cool place.
I think what the premise was,
there's actually a lot more gravity here than I thought there might be.
Look at this. Look at that field. Let's go. Let's get some time down on the turf, shall we? I'm so close to the field I can smell it.
So that's a TV. The pink box is a TV. So if you're wanting to watch the latest soaps, come here to catch up on your Everybody Loves Chris, Hates Chris. Here's Santa's workshop.
Right here is a very large C. C stands for kittens. Kittens, kitty.
Here we have this another exit sign. I think we're walking circles. There it is again. There's the exit sign. At the exit sign again. Just another. Here we are again.
Here we have one of those photo booths. You just take a quick picture in the photo booth. Oh, this.
So I'm here in the. We're gonna walk back through the curtain, back into the real world.
Oh, there's some feet. Oh, those are nice. LeBron James kickers.
I bet you didn't know that it comes with complimentary cleaning supplies. Can someone clean this mess? I think somebody barfed onto the walls.
Right here, I believe we got hints of mahogany and tones of that's oak. You hear that? We got some spruce. This one for sure. You can feel the grain. Definitely a nice spruce. This copper was taken straight from the Statue of Liberty. Lady Liberty donated her hair.
Here we have a tribute to the Indiana Pacers. Here we have a wall of flat. Does someone have a basketball pump? Anyone have a? Look at those lights. Christmas smells like Christmas in the air. We got a lot of trophies with one big trophy standing right in front of it. My man, what's that? I just got word. The real trophy. We have. That's the trophy that we won back in the day. Here we're back in the city. We're back in the city of Cleveland. Here, Cleveland turned off for a second, but we're here. That's where we. Cleveland's not. Here's the toy drive. If you're collecting, we're collecting toys. Let's fill this basket, everybody. Let's get this basket filled. Like, comment, subscribe to win a Cybertruck. It could be you. You could go home right now. And here we have the voice of the Cleveland Cavaliers, the announcer himself. Can we get a go Cavs?
Go Cavs, baby.
I love it. You heard it here first.